Need a faster way to multitask on your Samsung Galaxy? This video will walk you through the easy process of opening two apps together using split screen mode and improving your phone experience. So, open the first app you want to use in split screen mode. Once the app is open, go back to your home screen or leave the application running in the background. Next, tap the Recents button at the bottom of your screen. Depending on your navigation settings, this may appear as three vertical lines, a square icon, or you can swipe up and hold to open the Recent Apps screen. After opening the Recent Apps menu, find the app you want to place on the top half of the screen. Tap the app icon located above the preview window. A small menu will appear with different options. From this menu, choose Open in Split Screen View. The selected application will automatically move to the upper part of your display. Now, your phone will show a list of available apps for the second screen. Choose the second app you want to use. It will open in the lower half of the display, allowing both apps to run at the same time. You can adjust the size of each app window by dragging the divider line between them up or down. This helps you give more screen space to the app you need most. When you finish using split screen mode, simply drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom, or press the home button to return to normal view. You've successfully activated split screen on your Samsung Galaxy. Now you can use two applications side by side and complete tasks more efficiently.